Welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to hide your Instagram story from specific people. If you want to keep your story private or only share it with a select group, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's dive in. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Make sure you have the latest version of the app so you can access all the updated features and settings. Once you're in the app, tap your profile picture at the bottom right of the screen. This will take you to your profile page, where you can manage your account settings. Next, tap the menu icon at the top right corner of the screen. It looks like 3 horizontal lines or a small hamburger icon, depending on your app version. From the menu, tap Settings. This will open a page where you can adjust different preferences and privacy options for your account. Now, scroll down until you find a section called Who can see your content? Tap on it to access more options related to your stories and posts. Here, you'll see an option called Hide Story and Live. Tap on this to proceed. Now you can choose who you want to hide your stories from. You can select specific people or groups that you want to exclude from viewing your stories. This feature gives you control over who can and can't see your content. Once you've selected the people or groups you want to hide your stories from, tap Done at the top right corner of the screen to save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully hidden your Instagram story from the selected people. Now, you can share stories with more privacy and control over your audience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more Instagram tips and tricks.